I always use electrolytes because our water is horrible. It's over-processed. This is for your health. Very important. Okay. It looks like it's close to charged, but this here still says red, so I think we're good. It's got a 125-mile range, so. At least we're away from all the bikes. At least till we get to Daytona. Daytona and Ormond Beach are right beside each other. Wow, look at this guy. We get a hiking trail. It was part of Google Maps. Okay, this is cool. I should have brought my tent. Could have come and camped here for a night. Somewhere. I don't know where, but if it's legal, not sure. Might come down here tomorrow and hike it. Apparently this goes for like 30 miles, according to the map. This is awesome. This should be part of the Florida Trail if you ask me. I just wish it didn't have pavement. It'd be better. Oswald Indigo Ditch, 1776. Wow, okay. That's kind of cool, eh? Three Rivers District. Ooh, okay. We're back on the street, but I'm taking this big, huge, wide sidewalk. Okay, I think this is a wash because it's with the being bike week, you just can't do anything. It's pretty wild. But what I would like to do is lock this up and go for a little walk. Okay, so everything's bike week here. There's no way to really do anything, or restaurants are packed, everything's packed. So I'm gonna head back because I've only got about an hour of daylight, and this thing, although it has lights on it, you know. It was funny because all these really nice Harleys and, you know, and then people are like, oh, look at that bike. It's like, it's crazy. It's funny. Anyway, it was fun. I got about an hour back across the bridge and up to the resort. But it was a fun afternoon, and thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed it, I don't know. I mean, Bike Week's a pretty famous. I had to come and check it out. There was just no way. I wasn't coming, you know. So, and I'm glad I did. Right now, you can't even get close to the beach. It's pretty wild. But now I'm worried I only have 2 bars left out of 5 to get back. So I'm going to go as far as I can. I'll have to Uber it maybe, but we'll see. But I'm glad I came.